I'm breaking up with you. Prepare yourself.
Oh, is this happening again?
This time it's real. No turning back.
Your dramatic script needs work.
I found someone who understands me completely.
Let me guess, your reflection?
I'm leaving with Carlos from accounting.
Carlos who can't count past 10?
He appreciates my soul, not just my looks.
Is that what you tell yourself?
You'll regret losing me forever.
I'm trembling with anticipation.
I deserve someone who truly values me.
Is this a monologue or a breakup?
You'll be devastated when I'm gone.
Promise?
This is not a joke.
Neither is your delusion, apparently.